Have you ever had a friend that will defend you even when they know you're in the wrong? Like, you could have done the most diabolical thing ever and they would still find a way to justify it just because you guys are homies. A perfect example of this is when I got punched in the face and my friend saw my black eye. So he was like, bro, what happened? And I told him another dude punched me. Then he said, no, we can't stand for that. Let's go teach him a lesson right now. But then he asked why I got punched and I was like, oh, because I threw my applesauce at him during lunch. And he goes, oh, like as a joke, right? No, he was talking to the girl I liked, so I threw my applesauce at his face as hard as I could. Okay, well still, applesauce doesn't hurt, so he shouldn't have responded by punching you. Oh no, he only punched me because after I threw my applesauce, I then went up to him and punched him first. He's just a better puncher than me, clearly. Okay, well that's what he deserves. Listen, I'm definitely not proud of my actions I did as a 7th grader, but still, everyone needs a homie like this.